Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to stream a game in a Discord server. First, you need to go to the server where you are going to stream a game. After opening the server, you have to make a general voice. After making a general voice, you can see the option of share your screen. After tapping on share your screen, you have to go to the window. After going to the window, you can see the window which you want to share. Click on window which you want to share and click on share. As you can see, we are redirected to that window which we want to share, and you can do whatever activity you are doing, and you can see that on your Discord. And now whenever you want to stop sharing, you have to click the stop sharing here, or you can directly go to your Discord and you can stop sharing from here. Click on stop sharing and you can disconnect the call. So that's how you can screen share your game there. If the video was helpful to you, then please like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.